Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to make a black velvet cake using a cake mix. This cake can be made from scratch or a box mix, and you can use cocoa powder or food color to change the cake color. Let us know in the comments if you have made a black velvet cake and what ingredients you use to make yours. If your favorite flavor of cake is red velvet, then this cake is perfect for you. I will be using a vanilla cake mix to turn this into a spooky Halloween cake. Continue watching this video to learn how to make a black velvet cake from a cake mix. Let's get started. To make this black velvet cake, start by mixing 1/3 cup of cocoa powder with 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 5 teaspoons of black food color. This method works best with liquid black food color. If you only have gel food color, add the 5 teaspoons of black, then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of water. Add 1 more teaspoon of vanilla and mix well. This mixture should form a thick paste. Set this aside while we mix the cake batter. Add the package contents of a white cake mix to a stand mixer. Then add 6 tablespoons of flour, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Mix on medium to low speed until all of the ingredients are evenly incorporated, scraping the sides of the bowl as needed. Next, add the cocoa powder and food color paste in small amounts. Once the paste has been mixed in, gradually add half a cup of buttermilk. Make sure the buttermilk is completely incorporated before moving on to the final step. Stop the mixer and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Allow the mixture to bubble, then turn the mixer on low and allow it to incorporate. Make sure to mix until just combined, then scrape down the bowl and beater and mix by hand with a spatula if any ingredients did not fully incorporate. Spray or grease your cake pans and fill them with the batter. We added about 10 ounces of cake batter to a 5-inch by 2-inch round cake pan. This cake mixture rises a lot in the oven, so we recommend adding slightly less batter. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, or when a toothpick comes out clean. Allow your cakes to cool in the pans for 5 to 10 minutes, then remove from the pans and place on a cooling rack to cool completely. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Let us know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and any other videos you would like to see in the future. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, check out the Baking and Decorating Tips playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products and check out our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see the treats you create and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.